Don't run it.
Yeah.
Moira doesn't think she's gonna make it to the bathroom. We made it and it's so snowy, and we just picked up some cinnamon rolls for the morning and some red wine to drink tonight. And orange juice because I brought a bottle of champagne for the morning too, so yay! Should probably hurry home.
Yes, this light is blinding me.
We made it to the Airbnb and it's so cute. Riley has the best taste in everything.
She really does.
She literally needs to like start her own brand, but we made it. So we're gonna find our room and then get some wine. I'm excited to spend time with all the girls. It's like a really good group of really sweet girls. Look how beautiful this bathroom is. This place is so gorgeous. They have a whole little section for kids. Maybe one day when Moira has a little baby.
Yep. They're gonna come play here.
We're about to go in the hot tub, but the pizza just got here. And look, there's like a game room. Clean. I'm gonna have this glass of wine and then switch to water because I haven't been drinking much lately. Good night. You're so beautiful.
Well, one of them is really big, and I have to fit them like that.
Oh, we're making cinnamon rolls. We have our own little mini kitchen, but then there's all the girls have coffee going in here. Over here. Would you like, there's Prosecco out there too. From Wallen.
Wallen! He's such a good gifter. He's a sweetheart. You really hit the lottery. Oh! Yeah.
But we're not sure if we like them. That's actually really cute. Twiggy!
I just feel like I look like a pinhead.
Yeah, we can't tell if we like these hats. I also have other options. And then, yeah, this isn't the vibe, but this is fun. We have like a cute little pink.
Like, this looks better.
You like this more?
Oh yeah.
Really? I like...
Well, the black one, I think the black one just is better. I don't like the white one.
Yeah, I like this the most. Thumbnail. Oh, I love you.
I love you.
So we are leaving to go snowboarding from like 1 to 4, and then I want to see what it's like at the lodge. What is it called? A presse ski? The after, it's like French for after ski. Oh, you do?
I heard Mora.
So we're going skiing from like 1 to 4, and then I want to see what it's like at the lodge. You know, on TikTok I always see like lodge parties, but I don't know if that's only in like Colorado. And then we're having dinner at the house, and then Moira and I are gonna leave tonight because I want to get back to my baby, and she has to work tomorrow. So I'm just so happy to be in the snow and hang out with everyone. So yeah, that's the plan. See you at the slopes, y'all. This is the queen mother. Yeah, get your boots on. Looks so cute. We're off to go snowboarding.
Hi, did you bring your
phone? I feel like we all forgot stuff.
Okay, she brought them.
Oh, haven't you missed the fresh air? Okay, what do you think our instructor's gonna be like?
Mad because we're late.
I hope he's like a fun old silly man. Maybe you can have a little instructor fling. You know what I'm saying?
So funny.
I think I like this little life. This little life. This is so hard. I keep falling.
So once we get the hang of being controlled and balanced, that's the main thing. It's just
Yeah, you understand it. I just don't understand. You're giving me good tips,
it
though.
doesn't matter how fast you're going. That doesn't mean you're good.
No, I don't want to go fast,
Yeah.
but I thought I keep going too fast because I have bad
Everyone's like,
form.
I'm good.
Okay, so I need my hips to face the mountain.
Yes.
Okay, I got this. This is fun.
We're gonna get this down.
I like love that we're trying something new.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I haven't done something like this since I was like
Just
12.
FYI, I am like a black diamond professional skier, and
Oh.
I really wanted
Lucky
to
me.
expand my like toolbox.
Yeah, that was the thing. I wanted to go skiing, but she's like, I cannot go to a ski
I'm like,
class.
I can't. No, I. Yeah. I can't talk right now.
She couldn't go to a ski class. I think I see all the people are skiing are just gliding down the mountain, and I'm just like trying to just.
Uh-oh.
We have stopped on the lift. Okay, take 2 down the hill. I feel more confident this time, so I'm gonna have my hips forward. I'm not gonna go so fast. I'm just gonna go for it. You're really good at it.
I believe in you.
We need to stay closer together this round.
Yeah. You
But here's the little bunny hill we're going down. Wait, can we take a break to go get a drink?
That's my manager.
My knees already hurt.
She's the boss.
Or just get your boards and turn on the green. You can do it. I literally can barely do the bunny hill. I fall every 5 seconds.
Dumpy with my butt pads on.
Okay, you're going down the bunny hill with me. I can't do this hill.
Let's do it. I just found her board on the wrong side. Whichever on the ground.
No way. You know, like you see on like TikTok, there's like EDM parties. I'm like, where's the EDM, y'all?
Perhaps a salad for the lady?
Perhaps not. I'd like a steak with extra butter, some mozzarella sticks,
Heavy on the onions.
mac and cheese, creme brulee. I think that's my order. That's it. Oh, and a Caesar salad, of course. Okay. All right, y'all. So first thing I've learned today is you gotta get up on the board without going down the hill. Oh, okay. Got some tips? Okay, Maura, you're my instructor. Hips up.
Hips forward.
Okay.
Toes
On my toes?
on your toes. Hips
Okay.
forward with your toes. Yes, yes.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep those hips forward.
What do I do with my hands?
Your hands don't matter. It's all on the feet and hips.
Okay, I wanna go slow. Like this?
Yep, and then lean on your left one to go left. Right to go right.
I wanna stay up.
On your toes.
And don't look down.
Yeah, look up.
That's hard. Oh my god. Oh, see, I'm already.
Great. So go to your toes. Just try to balance. Try to get comfortable standing on your toes right now. Hips forward.
Okay.
Yeah. And then kind of like wiggle your toes, like wiggle it so you can kind of start moving. Bring up bucket.
Mop with that wet ass. We paid for a class. We went to the bathroom. We have no idea where the rest of our class is.
I think it's over.
Can we just rent stuff and go down the bunny hill? In the future? Oh, okay. So that's what we should have done.
Ah! I'm like, do I gotta leave? I was kind of.
We made it back. Got tea.
I think I'm gonna order whiskey so I can make hot toddies.
I brought apple cider and it would be really good mixed with apple cider. This. Girl. We're in the shower down here. We've invaded flags.
Sierra's room.
Invading, feeling an invasion.
But everyone's on our side of the house now, so it's kind of loud. Actually, yeah, it is really loud. We're just gonna hang out with everyone, and then Moira and I are gonna drive home tonight. But we had such a good day, and yeah, if you guys are still watching, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Finally get her chance to drink.
Today we're gonna be cooking up a charcuterie board.